Hey everybody, Spoonfed here, and today we're going to see if we can install Windows 8. Yes, I know it's not been released, but it's developer, Windows 8 environment sort of thing, and let's just go. This is all thanks to Windows Blog Italia with their Blue Poison, which enabled me to get the latest build, and I already had a older build lying around for a long time. But I figured, hey, this is a good moment to install this. And I have not installed it before, so I have no idea what will happen actually. Yes, my PC up to par for this project. I hope so. Yeah, I'm not really sure what to expect. I mean, it's Windows, but it's the latest Windows. I don't know if they've changed the design, if they changed the user interface, or it's just for testing applications, how they work with new, like drivers or something, or DLL systems, or that's kind of what I've been wondering. And I've got a version of Microsoft Office that we can use. At least I hope that we can use. Wow, this takes long. Yes. Is it done? Is it cool? Are we through? Do we get an A-OK? Do we get a for all you people out there that are gamers but don't know any cool female gamers, today I found a channel on YouTube called Predictable Nova, and I have no idea how I got there, but it's a girl, and yeah, sadly she plays Call of Duty, Zombie, but she also plays Super Mario World on the SNES, so let's just keep that in mind as a good thing. Oh, I forgot to put away the wrapping that conceals the cat food. They are now tearing it apart. But anyway, she games and she can sing as well. So just check that channel out, and if I find any more cool channels, then I'll let you know. I don't know if I've told you about Slim Kirby already, but you should check out his channel. Nearby Gamer has a cool channel. Checking product key. I agree to license terms. Accept. What would you like to keep? Yeah, fine. I don't have anything on this, so go for it. Let's see if you have to do anything first. Alright, well, another few minutes. Well, Microsoft time few minutes can mean few seconds to it takes 2 hours. So, any other channels? Not that I know of. I know, yeah, I found one, but I forgot the name of it. That's a bit stupid. He is a guy from Houston who does this Gaia Let's Plays on. I think he does one on PS3. He's pretty relaxed, laid back dude who just plays games. And other than that, I don't have any more. So something else though, I've been thinking about. I have an old telephone lying here, and I'm thinking about getting Android on there, which will be quite a hassle because I have to do it twice. But maybe I'll film it so people know what to do. The only thing I am worried now is that how am I going to film or record my actions on the telephone nicely. I wish I could have an Omnia emulator. So now you can, because you have Android emulator on your PC, which makes recording of Android apps and that sort of stuff way easier. It keeps the quality up, as it were, because filming. Okay, what? So I need to have 20 gigs of free space. Alright, how much do I have now then? Okay, I thought so. Alright, let me just make the disk a bit bigger. No problem. 1 second. 1 second, 1 second. So, this is the next step. I fixed it. We now have 20 gigs. So, we're gonna install it. This might take a while. Cool. Well, not cool. And we'll restart several times before we're done. Awesomeness. Let's hope they give us some pictures in the meantime, because otherwise I'm going to just pause it and we will continue afterwards. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna pause it right here, as there's no movement in it right now. It will take a long time. Alright, well, yeah, just when you're doing this yourself, I don't know, grab something to eat, go do your shopping or something else, because this looks like it might take a very long time. So we'll be back, and if something exciting happens during the install, I will show you. First restart, and I don't know, I think it will be one of the few restarts because it was already at 90%, so let's just hope it will be one of the few. Like an install of Windows 7, you have, I think, 2 restarts at the most. And if you hear a lot of sound in the background, that's my cats playing with a bag. Who have been very, well, relaxed this morning actually. Normally they're very active, but today they thought, we're not in the mood. And they've grown huge. I mean, I got them as a very little kitten, so I got them when they were like 13 weeks old, when they were officially ready to leave the nest. And they were very tiny, but now they're almost full grown. Internal error. Oh, how nice. Yeah, I love internal errors. So here we are. The thing crashed in VMware because I'm running VMware version 7 and not 8, and I'm not in the mood to get 8, so right now I'm running it in VirtualBox. So that's my tip for you guys, to adjust it, yeah, to make it so you have VirtualBox, install Windows 7 on that, and then run the developer install of Windows 8. And you heard Rorschach again. I have no idea what happened. He's mad that the normal bag is not there anymore. I have 2 black bags, and he loves lying on them, and one I removed because he was chewing on it, and it's a new bag, so I put the old bag instead of the new bag on the place he likes to lie down. He's not very happy with me right now. Um, well, this looks like it's going to take a while. At least it's doing more than VMware. The problem is if you have VMware 8, Workstation 8, then you don't have any problem because the ACPI version is too old on my workstation, so it can handle a lot, but not this. They did say, or people said that Windows 8 does run run smoother on the Workstation 8, so I guess that's preferred to this one. It's still preparing. That's very annoying. I'm just gonna let it run. Oh, well, now it's jumped to 30, so 50. Woohoo! At least it's doing something. Only trouble is that VMware can split file sizes, and this one cannot. So it's the only downside to this whole thing. So if we get an error, I know what the error is. The reason I have it is because my external hard drive is 1 terabyte, but I did it in FAT32 because then I can hook it up to the PlayStation 3. Do not show this again. Do not show this again, please. I do think that Windows should opt for more information on what it's doing, because updating registry settings, that can be a lot, and I mean, Linux does have more info, gives you more info as an option. I mean, you can click the arrow and then you get the info. So maybe they should have like something like that in Windows too. Maybe an install mode that's like basic, non-verbose, and expert, very verbose, so you can see what's going on. And I think I would enjoy that actually. Let's see what it's doing now. Now it's preparing again. Jesus Christ, this install takes long. But we're getting there. It's actually pretty fun that funny, I should say, that VirtualBox, a more or less free software and open source software, can handle Windows 8, even though it was never meant to handle Windows 8. Earlier than VMware, the commercial solution everybody uses. We had to wait till VMware Workstation 8, and there was no plans on when that was released. It was released, I don't know, last year or something, or maybe this year. I have no clue. I tried Windows 8. Windows 8. I've tried Workstation 8, but I hated it. I really do. I hated it. A lot of options disappeared for me. I could not have them all on the top, like grouped, like I did in 7. The interface is totally messed up, and yeah, all sorts of stuff went wrong with it. So I thought, you know what, I'm not gonna work with this anymore. So I went back to 7.1.4. Again, preparing. Dun 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 dun. Restarting your PC. Oh, let's go. Let's do it again. I told you not to display this message again. Oh my god, it's so annoying. Also, give us something more than a black screen saying Windows Developer Preview and a couple of white balls floating around. I mean, it's a developer preview. Give us some, I don't know, information on what to do, or some improvements that you made, or some text to read, or there's so many things you can do. And I know this is not the final version, so it's not like what people will be seeing. again with the preparing. And we have no idea what it's doing, if everything's going to plan. We only know that it did the registry values, it did something with the desktop, and that's it. Now it's preparing again to battle the inconsistencies that is Windows. No, just kidding. I saw some of the pictures of Windows 8, and they've opted for a different kind of interface. So I'm not really sure what to think of it yet. I have to experience it, I guess, and let's just hope that I can. And each time they go a little bit more modern. Like if you see, I did a retro series. If you look at that and look at what we have now, there's a big difference in styling, of course. I'm getting a cuddle attack from a fist though. He's just lying here right now. And he has become huge, which is very awesome. But they also like rethought the whole business of hiding icons. And you know, first you had a start menu and you had all icons on the right, and you could hide them, but only if they were not in use. And now you have this cool icon that is the triangle, and you click on that and you see every icon. That's something I personally like. You know, you need access to them, but they don't need to be in view all the time. Same as what Ubuntu did with Unity. I mean, a lot of people probably hated it, but same amount of people loved it, as always. I personally like it a lot, actually. I think the latest they did with 11.04, I think it is, or 11.10 even. I think it's 11.10 on Eric Ocelot. Oh damn, I still have to do that. Yeah, I'll make a video of that as well. They made it even better because the dash, or not it's called dash. I think it's called dash. Is now not like hidden away in the top corner, but it's a solid button, and it just looks better. They brought back some of the old buttons that were in the panel and on the top. So yeah, they have to reinvented themselves, and now everybody's like, yeah, but it does work pretty well. I mean, everything's out of sight, but it is there if you need it, and that's the thing I like. Holy crap. That was a lot of information displayed wrongly. Oh. Okay, what is this? Expert settings automatically Express expert. Man, I cannot read. Okay, automatically install important and recommended updates. Yeah, help protect my Send us info to help make new. Check online new. I'm just gonna do customize. Yeah, you can share and connect here. That's not a problem. Yeah. Yes, that's all fine with me, actually. Something you may need to change is this is very ugly, so make it a nice switch or something. Just so you know, automatically installed. Yeah, that's fine. Next. No, I do not want to send info. No. Join Microsoft Partner to help me protect from malicious apps and malware. Oh no, that's actually fine. Help. No. Help make Windows help content more relevant. Yeah, fine. You cannot switch this off. No, of course, it's developer preview settings, so they wanna. Okay, no. Next. Yes, get list. Yes, use Windows compatibility view list to help my. Yes, go for it. Oh, that's nasty. Go share information. Let apps give me personalized content based on new. New country region. That's fine. Well, I'm actually not there, so let's just click it. Time and currency. Choose your formats. You do not have that. Ah, there we are. There we go. Next. Cool, you can switch now between the languages. That's pretty cool. Let me just try something. Yes. Does it work? Ah, awesome, it works. Oh, wait. Oh, I need to make use of my... you want to have a Windows Live ID? Yeah, that's fine, actually. But... alright, I'll blur this out. Because you cannot know. What? Oh, okay. It's all blurred out. So watch my video on how to get a Hotmail address first. Yeah, I'm blurring this out as well. This is all blurred. Oh. All right. We'll continue right after your computer restarts. Oh yeah. Have a female voice do that. That'll be awesome. Please enter your password now. Makes it a whole lot more, how do you say that? Customer friendly. Engaging. Man, this takes a lot of time. But in the end, it might be all worth it. We don't know. But I'm just here to show you, well, basically what the idea for Windows 8 is right now. I think it's going to be released somewhere this year or early next year, but I'm not 100% sure of that. I hope that, completely off topic of course, but you have iOS for iPhone, you have Android for, well, Android phones, and you had Symbian and you had Migo for Nokia. You have Windows Mobile or Windows Phone, it's now called, and hopefully before the end of the year we have Boot to Gecko from Mozilla. Alright, this green is not nice at all. I mean, I don't know if they want to stick with the green because this is really hurtful. But other people might say, no, I like it. Don't change it, I like it. Oh, preparing your PC. My god, this takes ages. It will probably run better on a Workstation 8, but I don't care, it's just a preview. It's not the definitive version. What they do want to implement in Windows 8 is a lock mechanism on your BIOS. So they will use they won't use BIOS but another system which I forgot the name of. And what that means is they will not make it able for other bootloaders to be installed. So you cannot install Linux, for example, because it uses different bootloader. And Windows says, or Microsoft, not Windows, Microsoft says, well, yeah, we give the option to do it. You can switch it on or off, and we give that option to the vendors. Yeah, like any vendor is going to say, oh no, you can install other products on our system. No vendor wants that. They only want their own crap to be installed on there. If you buy a Sony, you get a boatload of crap. If you buy a HP, you get a boatload of crap. And whatever other brand, you get a lot of extra programs you don't really need. With Samsung, I must say they throw in a couple of programs that are actually helpful, like a very good optimization for the battery, a program that automatically searches for every program and driver you have for updates. That's also very handy. You don't have to like worry about that. And they have a automatic like media sharing program that's DLNA compatible, so you can automatically share it with your home network with Xbox and PlayStation 3. So that's, those three are, stuff that you actually need, not need, but you have something of value from that, instead of I don't know, like HP has an advisor bar or something, and you need to think, what the fuck do I need this? And other stuff like games, we don't need games. Fisto, you crazy bastard. Woo! We're inside. Whoa, that went fast. Holy crap, that was awesome. Alright, so that was pretty awesome. It was there and it was gone. This is the interface. Alright, man, alright. Very awesome. Well, I kind of like it actually. I don't know, it has something. It's at least it's different. It's not standard and same old. I mean, can you move these around? Yeah, you can move these around. Can you just like, I want that one there, for example. Yeah, cool. You can just move stuff around. I want that on the bottom. Stocks, I don't need stocks on my first screen, to just go there. This is actually pretty cool. Remote desktop button. Now click the desktop. Let's see what happens. So the desktop really hides. Alright, so how do I... This is show desktop. So how do I get back to that the other one? You click start button. Oh, cool. So this is the new start menu. Well, that's pretty awesome actually. So where's all the programs then? Or are all the programs in here now from now on? Okay, that will be... Alright, that will be actually horrible. To have all the programs in here. Okay, you have to scroll. There it is. So, what did I do? Windows Explorer, and we'll fire up Explorer here. Okay, that's a bit of a bummer, as it were. Wow, you get a whole lot of crap with this. They made a whole new ribbon. They should not have done that, because I hate that system. My god, do I hate that system. Go away. Really, that's the only problem I have with that whole Windows 7 ribbon, is it doesn't look pretty. It's cumbersome. It takes up a lot of space. It's god awful. But this is actually pretty cool, because as you can see, everything is in here. Pretty cool. It's pretty goddamn awesome. So the start button is that. Okay, just make a different logo for the start button, when you get time, get to it, because this is horrible. Let me just adjust the screen resolution, by the way, because this is horrible. I cannot make it the... Gotta be fucking kidding me. Orientation landscape, yeah, of course. Because if I do portraits, it will be the wrong side. Landscape flip. This is horrible. Normally I can make it so it will fit in my browser. This one with 720, so let me try that one. Let me see if that fits. Keep changes. No, that does not fit. Damn it. New screen resolution. Now I have to do it in that, and it sucks. Well, sorry, I have to do it in this shape wave form. Alright. For now, I'm gonna keep it so everybody can see it. Apply. Yeah, what I will do is for the next video, because for the next part of this thing, because I have to do a lot of other stuff, I will make this draggable as well if you can, because this is very annoying that you can only scroll it down here. What I will do is I will change my viewing, like, what do you call it, area, recording area, that's what I mean. So yeah, hold on for a moment. I'm gonna set everything up.